Finding great candidates to hire can be like...
Somebody crashed, somebody crashed. Woo-wee. Go forward, dude. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Oh, man, bumper. Go around.
Should we stop, Jake?
Probably.
Ooh!
Most men don't wear perfume, Pigeon, or dresses that make that much noise. You're here.
OnStar emergency.
Everything that you've ever seen.
Enrollment and paperless billing and automatic fees extra and subject to change. Early termination fee applies.
In and out of sleep when all of a sudden she woke up and saw John laying next to her in the bed, pointing that gun at his head. Which, I mean, obviously sent like this shock of adrenaline.
Stop sign. Stop sign, retard.
Đừng có nói giỡn. Ô má ơi. Trời ơi, còn chút xíu bị đụng rồi. Má ơi. Trời ơi, cho mày ẩu. Mày ẩu đi.
Can you get out of the way? The high beams aren't on, asshole.
Alright, asshole.
They're not on. Go look. I'm gonna tired of because I'm tired of you people fucking high beaming me and clipping me up. You don't like it?
You fucking idiot.
Go look at them. Go look at them.
How am I high beaming if I'm in front of you?
No, not you. Other people.
So what is it my fault?
So you telling me I'm high beaming you? I'm not high beaming you.
So other people are asshole to you? You're
Yeah.
asshole to me?
I'm not being an asshole to you. Just go fucking turn in your driveway. I just want to go home. Go where, asshole? Come on, you had to go. Let's go. Oh my.
And they went, go, KZP 47 something, follow them. And don't hit no one else going for it, fuckers. That's a hit and run, Dylan.
Move, Tesla, move! Move it!
Hurry up, he's getting a green, Dylan. Go up over the thing, go. Cause he ain't fucking getting away with that bullshit.
I got the camera, I got his plates.
Okay, you do? Yeah, he thinks he's gonna, but if he goes,
he's getting on toll.
he knows what the fuck he did. Okay, there. He knows we're after him. He's gonna pull right in this middle. Just stay with him. Cause I'm about to call 911 if you don't. Yeah, you know what you did. And we don't even know what damage there is, but we're about to find out.
The whole back bumper.
Motherfucker. Now watch him wait till we get out and then he'll drive off. He's just gonna sit there.
I'm about to take pictures.
Take a picture of his car.